Hey guys!
Hey!
Welcome back to the channel, it's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're doing our Halloween look! Yay!
I'm super excited.
So excited. And I don't even want to talk about it.
We're just gonna do it.
We're just gonna do it. I will say pumpkin and spider. That's all you need to find. I'm gonna jump in with the CERTIFEYE palette. This is the Tropical Wonders, and we're going to use Typhoon first, which is the gray.
And I'm using the Jeffree Star Alien palette, and I'm focusing with this shade called Black Hole.
I'm gonna use the Morphe at 330.
Going in with the Morphe M434. So what's your favorite thing about Halloween?
Everything. No, my favorite thing about Halloween is just like watching people just be happy that they can just be whatever costume they want, and watch people get really excited about like making a costume or a character and just being like, yeah, and then also getting super drunk, you know. I'm a simple girl. What about you?
I think it's, yeah, the costume, the makeup, getting out of your everyday vibes.
Doing something scary?
Yes, yes.
Doing something scary. Yeah. I'm gonna take this 4 Pro 14 and jump into Equator, which is a nice deep red, onto the lid.
So what I'm doing right now is doing the outline of a pumpkin.
Chip's going full face, and I'm sticking to more like eye glam. That's that's where I'm at.
Because you are glam, okay?
You're
and
glam.
I'm just
you just copy people.
Full pumpkin all the time.
Now that I've got Equator on, I'm gonna go back in with Typhoon with a smaller brush and just kind of blend those two together. We'll do the Morphe M431. And then we're gonna use the same brush and go into Bonobo, which is a black, and this is just to deepen the outer corners, not to do anything else, honestly.
And then I'm gonna go in with a Flying Saucer. I just want to add a little bit of green here at the top. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna move into the orange. Okay, so with the orange, I'm going to dive into the brush PK524, and I'm using the Makeup and Murder Neon Pigment.
Now comes the hard part, all the eyeliner.
So I'm just using, again, that neon pigment and going over and around the black shadow that we placed. Now, if you just place this pigment directly and drag it down, it leaves a really cool neon streak. But if you don't want that, then you just... Then we're going to add our black wing. So let's do a thick wing.
Then jump into the Henry Stick With It Blickety Black Long Liquid Liner. And I'm just gonna do detail work at the wing and then the web.
And I'm just going to fill this in with black lipstick. I'm using the Sephora Woof lipstick.
And I jump into some ColourPop cream gel liner in my lower waterline.
So I'm going back in with the dark coal shade from Jeffree Star, and I kind of just want to fade out this little cuts here.
Gonna jump into a lip from Baby Bat. This is in Persephone. It's one of my favorite reds that I have because I don't own like the most red lipstick. But this one is like a really vibrant but muted red. It's like blood.
And then I'm just gonna go in with more of this pigment.
Gonna be using some lashes from Spooky Babes Cosmetics. Chip and I both have an affiliate code with them. Yours is Sea Gray 15? Or is it just
mine
Sea Gray?
is Sea Gray 10 for
10.
No, I'm sorry. Mine is Sea Gray for 15% off.
And mine's Fast Times for 10% off. So y'all choose which one you want to pick.
We'll leave them both below.
But this is in the style Spider Legs, if I didn't already say that, because, you know, I'm doing a spider look, so why not? And we are done. Let me take a look, because I haven't looked at you. I like it.
So orange.
Yes, you are so orange.
Like, I feel like if I just found a foundation that wasn't my color, I could have done this so much easier.
You could have. You should have,
I should have
honestly.
just, if I had an orange foundation.
There's plenty of them out there for options for you.
Right, but I like it. I like that.
It's a little messy, but it's there.
Hey,
you get the webs.
It's supposed to be messy. It's Halloween. Weird when I smile because like the teeth are like. Okay, I'm sorry.
You look like a Snapchat filter. When it's just kind of like moving around your face. Not quite.
Yeah, but it's not lined just right.
Oh my god, or it's on some face in the background you didn't know was there.
Oh my god.
We'll go ahead and jump into closest for you guys. anyways, we thank you guys so much for watching this video with us today. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and join our Sugar and Spice family. Follow us on our social media. It's all Sugar and Spice _ makeup as well. And we will see you guys on the next one.
Bye.